If we'd like to compare the interface of the programs that are available for us for movie editing, we are going to see that they are very similar to each other. On one hand, on the usually left side, you have the library section where you have all the materials that you've gathered, all the materials that you can actually import into your library from your hard drive, and which ones you are going to be using, which ones you want to choose. On the right hand side, you usually have the preview section where you have the clip itself and where you are going to be looking at what you have already done, what the final product is going to be, a preview as we've said. On the bottom, we have the editing section, and this is where you are going to be doing all of the work with the clip and where you are going to be trimming, where you are going to be splicing, where you are going to be cutting, maybe doing some work with the sound and whatnot. This is where all the work is going to be happening. So again, the library section where you have all your bits and pieces on the left, on the right, the preview section if you want to see what the video that you've chosen contains or what the video that you've already made contains, and then the editing section on the bottom. The Filmora program that we've spoken about is pretty much the same. As we can see, we have the library section again on the left, the preview section on the right, and on the bottom the editing section. And they are going to be a bit more advanced, as we can see, but this is a program that you might want to purchase from the internet. This is not something that comes free with your operating system. If we are looking for something a bit more advanced even than this one, we might want to use Final Cut Pro. And in this program, as you can see, you have a lot more tools available for you and a lot more possibilities for editing single clips or the whole film itself, including such techniques as picture-in-picture. And then, apart from the library part on the left and the preview in the middle in this case, on the right you have another piece of magic, which is the section to play with the color temperature, with the color saturation, so that it fluently changes in the middle of the film itself. What we can also clearly see right from the very beginning is you have the filters and the effects available for us right there out in the open. We don't have to open and close any other sections to have this visible for us. And the editing table is going to be a bit more complex than the basic one that we are going to have over here in the iMovie. Again, the iMovie or the Windows Movie Maker, both programs are identical, the same. They have no difference at all.